Hi, I'm Rod Deichman with Library Workshops. Hey, join us this summer on our quest to make the library great again by registering for our free lecture, workshop, class, or special event. Now, you don't need a library card, nor do you need to be affiliated with any particular district. Simply choose a workshop, RSVP, and we'll see you at the library. It's really that simple. Now, this summer, we have more than 70, count them, 70 fun, exciting, and completely hands-on adventures to choose from. I mean, that's a lot of fun and information to share. Now, we've got everything from cupcake decorating, cake pop, bread and pasta making, to crocheting, painting, and even colored pencils. We've got all that covered. We've also got a variety of wellness, small business, and financial workshops, as well as a Tolkien Society meetup, sign language classes, fitness over 50 workshops, and a bunch more. And the best part is that all of these events are taught by your friends, your family, and your co-workers, all of them doing what they can do to bring awareness and advocacy back to the library. Now below, you'll find a link to our summer catalog. Now please give it a few moments, choose a workshop or two, RSVP online, and help us make the library great again, a place where everyone can learn, explore, experience, and teach. Well, thanks for your time. I'm Rod Deichman, and I'll see you at the library.